Alright traders, welcome. So today is 16th of March 2020. We are now live day trading WTI Crude Oil Market at Pro Contract 2020 CLEJ. So at this moment we receive a short sell signal to go short at the price from my live Telegram channel. You can see over here that we are going to short the market at 2900, and as it targeted it's 28 at 82. So at this moment we are plus 1 ticks or plus 2 ticks, and we have received a good buy sell signal at this moment. So let's wait and see. Hopefully everything will be okay. So this is trading during the volatile of the market due to the coronavirus and so on, and there's a lot of things happening in this world. And based from the current situation, the price of crude oil is pressing further down. So now we are at plus 1 ticks profit. It's not much, but still let's wait and see. Hopefully the price will remain on the bearish side. So the targeted TP price is at 2082, which is at this green line. And as you can see now, let's take a look on the volume. The market already gone for a strong bearish movement since London session. Yep, early morning Asia session, and then London session one more time, and for US session, not sure whether it will go towards the downward movement or not. But from my algorithm, there's a signal for short sell. This is from my day trading setup under the epic signal. Hopefully it will be a fast entry and fast exit. And at this moment still the price tangling around the entry level. Let's wait and see. Hopefully the market will push further down, and let's be patient for this one. And the TP targeted is this price level of the green line. Hopefully I can capture this video live. Okay, now time now is 9:22 a.m. New York time. So our trade always at the beginning of a US session. We targeted around first 30 minutes, and hopefully can settle out everything's within that 30 minutes. So that's the main reason why we call it the epic signal. So because sometimes it will produce a quick entry and a quick profit for 170 or 120 130 US dollar in profit for one lot position size. So as for when the price already about 3 ticks or 2 ticks. I did enter a bit late at 29.98 because I sent out the signal first, then I enter my position. So I'm 2 ticks lower than the actual entry, which is at 2900. So okay, now price remain the same. So the lowest just now is at 20. Let's take a look. The lowest price is 28.94, which is around 6 ticks or 60 US dollar for one lot position size. So now plus 1 ticks plus 2 ticks based from the signal. So by the way, there's a link below in description. Feel free to click on it. The link will direct you to my private channel. So inside this channel you will receive a signal live for US session. So this is what we are going to do every day, one trade per day, and that's the target. And we don't do extra because one is enough for again day trading day salary, which is around 100 to 200 US dollar. It depends. If you are entering with a larger position size, so should be more. Okay, so it seems like under the smaller time frame that the market went for the sideways movement. So as you can see over here, it looks like it's went for a sideways movement. About plus 3 ticks, plus 4 ticks, plus 5 ticks below the entry level. Should be 40 or 50 US dollar in profit at this moment because of my entry is a bit late at 98. So my profit is lesser compared to the other traders which already enter at the same price level of 2900. So for this position, so let's wait and see. I will pause for a while. I need to go to check the E-mini market and NQ and also the Dow Jones to check whether there's a hint for the opening of a US session, because market already got a limit down 5% price move on the during the opening Asia session. So let's we'll resume later on. Okay guys, resume back again. So looks good at this moment. 7-8 ticks 80 US dollar in profit based from the entry at 2900. So looks good. Looks good. No, keep going down. The lowest is 1981, 100 US dollar, sure thing. At the moment you may exit. It's good enough. If you're entering 2 lots, it's $200 already, and it's going for the down 11 ticks, $110. So based from entry at 29.00, my entry is a bit late at 28.98, so 2 ticks. Okay, it moved much more faster, so the TP target is 28.82, which is not far. So any moment it will hit the TP price level. So, or maybe to exit now, it was a good idea as well. It is a good idea as well to exit now. So let's wait and see. It will take some time for the market to react to go further down. Still maintain. Mine is 2 ticks away from the normal entry. So mine already 120. So the normal entry is 140. So any moment it will hit the TP area. Okay guys, we hit the TP target. Oh, it was a good one. It was a good one. So let's take a look how long it will take. And after the price hit the TP area, so it moved further up. It was a good one, a good trade. So we did enter the market at 9:17 a.m. in the morning New York time and exit at 9:26. So should be around 9 minutes. I think 9 minutes. 9 minutes straight for how much we have $160. But if you are following my live Telegram channel, so it is $180. So the exit is 82, entry at 00. So we'll use 180 is total profit for today, so not 160 from my platform, because I did enter 2 ticks a bit late because I sent out all the signal to you guys, to the traders, because this is live signal. So by the way, there's link below in the description, feel free to click on it. Now the price might reverse back, so that's how we do it. So it was a quick one, 9 minutes, good enough for $180 in profit. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I need to go for E-mini market, Dow Jones and NQ. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.